I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends.
So, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. I hope audible ako. Pero yeah, I'm in school right now. It's currently 8:45 and I'm waiting for my best friend. Kaya magdungan ni Og. Except for some things for like the enrollment and stuff. And so today, the plan is go to school and I'm gonna meet with my best friend. And then maybe mahapit ko sa dorm. Yes guys, I'm back sa dorm life. The college diaries are back. Okay, the summer is over and we're back at school. How exciting. Mag-dorm ko agad this sun and then I think I'm gonna go to the dorm later to like check out a few stuff. And then after that, I'm gonna meet with my other friends. Kaya we're gonna eat xiaolongbao. I'm so looking forward to xiaolongbao. I've missed it. And na I knew open xiaolongbao is near us in school. So we're gonna check it out later and I'm gonna try xiaolongbao again. Since I went to Hong Kong. Ano ang plan? Meet ko sa friends later. And after, maybe we'll watch a movie. Not sure. But yeah, that's the plan. See you guys later.
Day, ang ngayon kay kasi mong hair, day. Nag-exchange mig books, guys. Nanay annotations ako anya. This is hers, that's mine. We're exchange. Yay! I feel so alive, Lizelle. I feel so alive. Hello, Lizelle. In the shade. Kaya nga ni Rami, guys, ni Lizelle, if like na siya makeup nga din niya gamitin hatay niya. Excited ba kayo? Oh my God, magdalag mo siya. First day of school. Ako, like, clothes man kasagaran. So, akong clothes nga, dili ko, like, dili masulog na ko yatag na wala. Ano niya, ang makeup. Ako pero wala din nadala. That's okay. It's okay. We make mistakes. Pakita gid sa among colors at sa among personality. Yeah. The black. I'm a black person. I'm a black cat. Ano sa mga white dog? Okay guys, sa mga tong last question for today with Lizelle. Taas pa rin. Excited magbabay. Taas pa ang rest of the day. So like, I will vlog more later. See you later. Bye! Oh my God, is this Alina? Hello. Hi!
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm
Hi guys, welcome back. We're back here with Alina and Corinne. So guys, you can oo, kay absent ang open busy life magod sila right now guys. So kami ang free. Oh my God, guys, excited ako mag-xiaolong ba? Okay guys, excited ako mag-free. I'm so excited. Oh, gawin! May tanan mo, may nagsama ka na guys. Yes, good job everyone.
feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.
Xiaolong ba? Guys, we're walking towards the Xiaolongbao place. Update. Ang daming tao today sa streetscape.
Yes.
Why is that? Pang lunch ba ron? Padong lunch. Mga siguro. Daghang tao sa streetscape. So, see you guys there.
I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did.
Guys, nag-uwan. Saan ako pag-alto sa car?
Ano siya?
Paano mag-gika? Think migway guys. Saan ako pag-agi? Kaya nag-outdoor na may kao. Oh my God! I love it. Naging sports car ba ito? Dari dapat sa Maria Luisa. We're going on a trip.
Pero let's...
Thanks, Alena! Fresh from Dubai! Wala ka cute! Fresh camel milk chocolate. Nadi milk ang camel day. Asa naman ito?
Ito.
Nag-extract sila.
Don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will.
Hi guys! So, watch me of Deadpool versus na siya or end.
Unya na lang.
Wala lang, yung mga ikuan, confirm na ba later? So guys, watch me og movie. Guys, first time na ko withdraw
Nag-withdraw
sa
sa
bank.
Angel. Kaya ano pa siya nga, sa bank tent lang siya ka, walay fee.
Walay fee.
Magabot sa 7-Eleven, pariharan.
Mauro yak po na 18 nga fee. Thank you sa akong teacher for teaching me how to withdraw.
Yes.
I feel so official, guys. Oh my God! Nag-withdraw akong money! Confirmed, guys. Then Deadpool and the Deadpool versus sa ni Batman versus Superman. So, mag-pay namin sa tickets.
Ano lang to?
Just us. So,
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again.
guys, nag-rush namin kay sa to oras sa mga pan 5:20 ang movie mag-start. O niya ko na ron. 5:18 ang movie 5:20. Good luck to us.
I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.
Wala na maliit ni guys kasi kami snack. Ano importante? Snack. Dali.
I'm waiting for the special touch you.
Manang movie guys. I rated 9 out of 10.
Ano na yun?
Wala ko kita sa context ganit.
Ako
Tanan
sa-
context.
sa
Feel na ko
pag-first.
10 over 10 dito if kaba ko sa context sa kanang movie yun. Kikita ko tanan sa kanang like Avengers, ang kanang nga cinematic universe. Pero kang Deadpool wala. Si Wolverine, kabaw na ko niya daan. Kaya mga ganun yung first nga ako, ano fan. Pero si Deadpool kaya, dili ko familiar. Pero ganahan, na-enjoy ko very much. What about you? 10 out of 10! Wow! She's so generous! Pero oh guys, I enjoyed very much. Ay, sorry. Dapat ako sa ka-exciting mag-movie. Like, kaya di mo agad kayo tig-movie, ikaw tig-movie ka? Like, hindi ay?
Oo, Inside Out ako last.
Opo, kita inside out.
Murag ang puro showing karon kay Deadpool and Wolverine.
Ito, aura.
Yes.
There's that. Pero na-enjoy na to guys. I love it. Ay, mubalik na ko sa sinihan guys. Mubalik-balik na ko sa sinihan. Ako saan?
Ay, magaling ako. Feel dyan ako ba nga? Napadjust mo pa sa credits nga part.
Naagad all the time. Kanya, oh my God, naka si Chris Evans akong crush.
Di na siya ako sa role. Ano ko, ha?
Oo. Si Johnny siya from Fantastic Four. Si Johnny yun like first crush is first.
Pero di ko kasi na pero pati
Super!
di atay mo kundi si Deadpool.
Ipatay mang good siya, guys.
Seryo.
Bot ni mo Ryan Reynolds. Pero I love it. I love the movie.
Dahil ka nang nalapas na sa
Asa taday?
Panakahunday.
Nagtapi. So, we're gonna go guys.
Get, I'm needing it more than.
Yes, we're gonna go eat dinner. Sige, tagkul. Di mo kadaghanay ko ni kaon karong adlaw day.
Ako sa Demra.
Sobra-sobra na nila.
Sobrang na siya sa kuang-kuan.
Mo good. Minimum na ako duha. Uso, duha raman. Pero murag naabot na mag-upat. Life is great. Murag nakatulog mong basa. Sige, nag-life's good na wara.
Tulong na yun.
We're gonna go have dinner.
I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you out.
Good job, subuin. 50 sila. May kaon guys, very busog. I think may kaon karon 4 times. Workout na lang ako tomorrow. I rate subuings also a 9 out of 10. I think feel na ko mas lami ang Wingstop. Pero good siya. Tender kayo. Dugay lang kayo. Feel ako muna ang 9. Kaya dugay kayo siya nahuman. Dugay siya nabot. 9 out of 10. How do you rate subuings?
9.
Okay.
I feel like mas better yung uban nga flavor. Next time. Siguro ang ilahang jalapeno cheese or yung
Ay, yung order kay barbecue. Right now. Ako order kay parmesan. Garlic parmesan. Kasi ko mo try sa uban. Feel ako mas lamig. So, balik lang may dire. Pero mga namang initial rating.
update ng rating.
Oo. Pero pusog yung kay me guys. Very pusog.
Pila ko ang next ano kayo, dukaon ko guys. Ito nga busog kayo niya. Dukaon after. That's what I'm feeling.
Ako kaming nagasto rong adlaw pero no regrets. Nalingaw ra. Muli na ko. Petition para si Corinne di pa muli. petition para si Corinne chatan niya ako ba friend. Nga malaag pa. Let's support Corinne, guys. Pero gawin ako billiards. Billiards ito pala ko. Bye-bye. See you at home.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.
Just finished eating. I'm so busog. Wala ko lipstick. And now we're in. Sa pangalan ni Darren? Tiger. And my sister's buying canvas. Show it! The front! What is it?
Oreo, but it's actually called round lovely biscuits.
It's what? It's a notepad.
No, it's chocolate notepad.
Okay.
I'm waiting for the spec.
I love my outfit today. It's so simple. Kana ganing when an outfit is good in your head and it comes out good also in person. I love it. I love that feeling.
Special touch you give. I'm needing it more than